Hello. Oh, we can't wear our hat actually.
Okay. Nice to see you. Welcome to Cambodia. So, this is our bike today.
Okay.
Mountain bike.
Very cute.
Because we go countryside. We get big high suspension,
Oh.
cycling. But road at the countryside now is more concrete, so a real adventure. I can decide. Off-road.
We are going cycling today to Mekong Islands and to the Silk Islands. Today will be interesting.
Right. So this one, maybe for you.
Why you have a pink helmet?
We have medium. Do you ride bike at home? You can use big.
No, she rides bike at home.
Okay, so
I don't ride bike at home. We are now on the ferry with our bikes at the back. We are about to start our cycling adventure.
wait for another boat. Yeah, second boat. Countryside by bike. But we come back by the tuktuks. Only one way for cycling.
Where will we put our bikes?
So we have a tuktuk for carry the bike back to the city. And we have another tuktuk for us to come to Phnom Penh.
Ah.
That's for lunch, you know. And our road condition today is very flat, very easy to ride, and especially we have a two-man stop to see today.
Okay.
So first one, we're going to see the people make silk, the weavings. Yeah. So have you seen the silkworm before?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to see that, and then we have fruit for you. Maybe your second breakfast. Yeah. Maybe you have a little from your hotel. You stay in Caravan, right? It's not far from our bike station, you know. And then after silk, we continue cycling for like maybe 2 kilometers. We're going to another ferry across the Mekong River, very small river, to visit the 2 more spots. Like first one, we're going to see the small family who make the tofu, you know tofu, right? Or tofu skin. That for the hot pot soup, that one. And the second one we're going to see the pagoda. We're going to learn about Cambodia religions. That's like we are Buddhist and Hindu before. And you can see the school inside, the pagoda. We're going to learn more about Cambodia education system, yeah? So how we going to school, yeah? And then we're cycling more to see the more scenery of the countryside. And then take another boat back to the mainlands called highway number 6A. And then we have no more cycling. We're gonna tuk-tuk back to the city to enjoy the local lunch. And then we say bye-bye together after lunch, you know. And our distance is like 20 to 25. Is it okay for everyone? Real Cambodian food. Yeah. You can see this is we call dry fish.
Oh.
So the fish that people can catch from the river. A lot in the Mekong River and the Tonle Sap River. And this one how they cook it, you can see right there. They use the coconut fiber or the west from the sugar cane
Oh.
to make smoke.
It smells smoky.
And then they put the fish, the fresh one,
On top.
on top of the look like a sleeping bag. And they cook the dry fish over there. And you know that fish is very cheap. 1 kg, 25 cents.
Wow.
In the local money, Cambodian money, 1,000 real.
Oh.
Very cheap, you know.
Is it salted?
Sorry?
Is it salted dry fish?
Yes, of the dry fish stuff.
Right. So you have the
We eat like this.
Eat it like this as a snack?
Yes.
Oh.
Sometimes we use a
Oh wow.
fish sauce,
fish sauce.
chili. This is fish sauce.
Isn't it very salty then? Like,
This one. you know, people can collect fruit.
Uh-huh.
You see the browns, the black one,
Yeah.
black fruits over there. When they break the fruits, they can get the palm jelly.
Jelly.
Just make for the jelly.
Ooh.
Yeah, they put the condensed milk and ice and shake it.
It's,
And
you know I think it's adaption of it. Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
you know how the people can climb to the top? You have any
Oh.
idea?
Do they just climb?
No. They use the bamboo ladder.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Climb up to the top. And then
This is so pretty. They grew this because they can sell
the farmer they use that.
for Vesak Day, I believe. So pretty.
The one that close to the ferry we call Ariksat. It's the mainland, right? And this mainland have a 6 village different name. Now we stay in Praitaka village, different name from the Ariksat, okay? And this is kind of like a local market. So everyone come very early in the morning, bring all kind of like vegetable, fruits, and kind of like meat, like pork, beef, chicken to sell in the morning because people need fresh. Yeah. There's a small area for breakfast, like a noodle soup, rice noodle.
Wow, it's actually bustling.
And as well as rice noodle, you know rice noodle, right? It's made from rice. And little bowl like that, about that big. Only 50 cents for one breakfast. It's come with the soup. And we have 2 different colors between like the green one, similar like the green curry or red curry that ones. But the green one we put the fish paste.
Right.
Adding inside lemongrass, peanuts, and the coconut milk. It's very delicious.
Yeah.
Popular for Cambodian people also.
All the fresh produce up here. We got some mangosteens.
And we have mango salads with fish sauce and chili. Especially in the way, yeah, the big thing head, yes, the one that I think.
But it's so hard to kill. You have to like
They have the stick.
stick it. You have to
Boom.
like kill it. Yeah.
So we stopped by the market just now and bought some vegetables and mangosteens. It was so sweet. I also bought some scrunchies for 2 for US 1. Now we are at this silk weaving family house.
The inside, it is the turnip.
Turnip?
Yeah, turnip,
Oh.
right? This is the fresh mango that we can see along the way recycling, right?
Yeah.
The
Because-
baby mangoes. Yeah.
This family also grows.
Ah, looks so good.
Vanessa.
Lovely to see you, everyone. Okay, so before I bring you to see the process how to make the seal, I would like to introduce you. The lady is my mom, and now she is spinning seal after coloring. Yeah, but actually me it's I'm work at the bar. I'm living separate house, not here. But here is our family shop, and who work in the shop is my brother-in-law, also brother-in-law behind, but who is living now, my younger brother, and behind is my sister just finished the old one, and now we waiting to set up.
What's that worm?
The worm.
The baby worm.
Yeah, the baby worm.
Oh,
Okay, this is
Baby
how many
silkworm.
years? I mean, how many days?
This is 3 days old.
3 days.
That is 5 days old.
oh, 5 days
Oh
old.
wow, they grow so fast.
Yeah.
5
Yeah,
days.
after yellow one, yeah, they stop to eat the leaf, and then we need to pick them from the tray to put on that twist, you know.
Oh, why?
And then, yeah, because of that, for the worm, they make the cocoon.
Oh, so
Yeah.
after this, then after 25 days, you need to put it on a stick.
Yeah, yeah.
On a twist.
Stick, yeah, on the stick or the twist.
Then where do you put it? Just here?
How I can call, how I can call the right word, like twist or stick.
Both okay.
These are
Both,
cocoon,
okay?
is it?
Yeah. Yeah, the cocoon, the seal. Yeah. So after the worm, they make the cocoon. They are spend 3 days. 3 days by the spit. 100% of the cocoon here and at my farm. We need to separate them. Some we bring to spin by hot water.
Oh.
We kill the worm. You know that's why, because we need to spin to get the thread. Yeah.
So they
and
never
some-
turn into a moth.
They tend to be a moth, but we keep them for the next generation. Yeah, because you can see this is a wire broken because they tend to be a moth. This is the
Okay.
moth. Yeah, but they die after they mating and lay egg. But the moth, still moth, they don't fly not like the butterfly. Yeah.
So this is a wedding dress.
Yeah.
How much is it?
$300.
Oh.
Yeah, for 1 meter wide and 4 meter long. Yeah.
How long does it take to make it?
Sometimes my brother spend a week, but he needs to
Focus
9 to 10 hours.
every day.
Yeah, every day.
And then 1
But
week.
some is more.
Okay.
Some is take a long time because of the pattern. Yeah. And
So that was quite interesting experience. We actually had some mulberry tea and some fresh fruits. We also watched the process of making silk and weaving, and I also bought a scarf from them. I think it was about 15 USD for about 2 thread one. Well, it's kind of thin and airy, so I think it's good. I'm gonna give it to my mum when I'm back in Singapore. So as it turned out, we are now actually not at Mekong Islands yet. We're just visiting our villages. Right now, we're on our way to the ferry terminal to take ferry to cross over to Mekong Islands, where we'll visit a pagoda and a school. Yeah, so that'll be interesting. We'll also be visiting a tofu factory or tofu shop where they make tofu. Yeah, see you there. Mekong Island. Mekong Island is there. I don't know what happened here, but I accidentally recorded it in slow motion, therefore there's no sound. But basically we went to a beancurd sheet factory and unfortunately there were no workers at all.
They drop out school early and they don't learn any languages like English, Chinese or French. Then they have no opportunity to change their lifestyle.
This is a school, is it?
Yeah.
This is
so
primary
in this village we
school?
only have a primary school too
Right.
on the islands. That's why you can see like some students
What
are
are they
moved.
burning then?
It's the garbage.
Oh, so they just like don't have any garbage collection. It's just like
No,
that.
just burn it.
Oh, that's very So they just
In the city
once
we
a
have
day?
a garbage truck,
Yeah.
but in here, no. So that's why some they burn. But more like a leaf from the tree,
Oh,
Yeah.
not a plastic.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Then what
Maybe
happens to the
they collect
plastic?
it later,
oh,
Yeah.
okay.
but only maybe in the evening or something like that.
Yeah.
What time is the school here?
So the primary school they start at 7 o'clock in the morning until 11,
Oh,
only for the morning. But for secondary school and high school, in the afternoon,
oh,
How
start
many
from
stu-
1
Yeah.
to 5 p.m.
Right. How many students are there in this school, for example?
So, for example, in one class, now it's maybe 25 to 30 people.
Oh, so many.
They
Even though the school is so
separately
small, yeah.
between boy and girl.
oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Why?
Maybe like
Easier to manage.
sometimes it is like the boy is they have to stay on one side and the ladies stay on one side. It's the rule.
Yeah.
In one of the classrooms in the primary school.
You do not like you guys like just follow your flag color as well, right? The red and blue.
Reds, blues, and whites.
Yeah.
But I can say like sometimes a red one is
More
more.
traditional. Right.
And the temple, like in Siem Reap, it built for Hindu and dedicated to the God. This one for Buddha.
So this is the pagoda and we just saw the school. And something interesting is that there's this like little makeshift store just right outside the school for the kids to buy any snacks or drinks. Similar to Singapore's what we call mama shop, I guess.
They have to build more.
This window is so pretty. Look at this, the metal grill. It looks so simple but so pretty at the same time, and there's like of course carvings that's going.
You donate one, I donate one. That's why it's more Buddha.
Beach road is finally easier to cycle. Just now it was like bumpy, narrow, with grass patches on either side, and I was trying to video and it just didn't work. The thing is that I think it's because I've never cycled so long distance before, and it's been a while since I last cycled. Usually I just cycle for maybe a few kilometers. Today one I think it's around between 20 to 25 kilometers in all, and it's a little hot. But right now where we are, it's quite windy. I think we're headed to lunch place and then we are gonna go back to the main town area. But it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool vibe. So we hopped onto a tuk-tuk and got back to Phnom Penh city centre for our lunch. Hope you've enjoyed this little vlog. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Okay, bye!